Yes. The title of Unit 5, Windows and Mirrors Providing Perspectives. Now today we are going to do activity. That activity name is Toothpicks Pattern. Keep heading. On the A4 size paper on the top you can mention Toothpicks Pattern Activity. Toothpick Pattern Activity. Toothpick Pattern Activity. Right in middle, we can use sketch pen. Toothpick Pattern Activity. Toothpick Pattern Activity. In this first keep heading, triangular pattern. Triangular pattern. Triangular pattern. Toothpick pattern activity. First pattern we are going to learn with the help of toothpicks. Triangular pattern. Now everyone be ready with toothpicks. Draw one triangle with the help of toothpicks. One triangle. First keep heading, triangular pattern. Down you can keep join 3 toothpicks. First triangle. Down. With the help of 3 toothpicks, you can join 3 toothpicks because you want to make triangle with the help of toothpicks. If I want to draw one triangle, how many toothpick is required? 3 toothpick is required. Okay. Again, give some gap. I want to draw 2 triangle. I want to draw 2 triangle. I want to draw 2 triangle. How many toothpick is required? One triangle, 3 toothpicks. If I want to draw 2 triangle, how many toothpick is required? 6 toothpick. Are you getting my point? Next. Yes, students, I observe you are doing very well. Next, give some gap in same line. Don't paste down. In same line, give some gap. Again, join 6 toothpicks. When you will join 6 toothpicks, then how many triangle will form? 2 triangle will form. Next, I want to give some gap. Again, I want to join 3 toothpicks. I want to draw 3 triangle. How many toothpick is required? 9 toothpick is required. 3 triangle again. 1 triangle, 3 toothpicks. Second triangle. Again 3 toothpicks. Third triangle. Again 3 toothpicks. Yes. If I want to draw one triangle, 3 toothpicks is required. If I want to draw 2 triangles, then 6 toothpicks are required. If I want to draw 3 triangles, then how many toothpicks is required? 9 triangles is required. Now we are very good, Agastya. Now we are generalizing how we are going to relate the toothpicks activity in algebra. Listen carefully. What is the magic of this activity? Concentrate here. What is the magic? Observe here. Concentrate everyone here. Number of triangles. Number of triangles dot number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. Observe here. Number of triangle. If triangle is 1, how many toothpicks is required? 3 toothpicks. If I want to draw 2 triangle, how many toothpicks is required? 6. 3 triangle, 9. Tell me, without drawing this 4 triangle, tell me how many toothpicks is required? 12. This is the, now what is the meaning of how we are going to relate this activity in algebra? Listen carefully. Can I say number of triangle, number of triangle into 3, number of triangle into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. Now number of triangles, suppose I am assuming n, then n into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. It means 3n is equal to, what is 3? 3 is the constant and n is the variable. Now you are observing how we are relating this concept in algebra. 3n equals number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. This is the pattern formula. 3n equals number of toothpicks required. Now observe here magic. I don't know, I forgot all toothpicks, everything I forgot. Now I want to draw one triangle. How many toothpicks is required? In the place of n, I want to substitute 1. 3 into 1 means 3. If I want to draw one triangle, in the place of n, I want to substitute 1. 3n means 3 into n. 3n means 3 into n. Then 3 toothpicks is required. If I want to draw 2 triangle, in the place of n, I want to substitute 2. Then 3 2 is 6. If I want to draw 2 triangle, 6 toothpicks is required. Next, if I want to draw 3 triangle, then in the place of n, I want to substitute 3. 3 into 3, 9 toothpicks is required if I want to draw 3 triangle. This is the magic of algebra. I hope you are getting my point. Suppose I have, again I'm saying here, concentrate. Suppose I want to draw one triangle. For one triangle, I want to find out how many toothpicks is required. Number of toothpicks required equals, formula is 3n. One, for one triangle means the value of n is given 1. 3n means 3 into n. 3 into 1 means 3. If I want to draw one triangle, 3 toothpick is required. If I want to draw two triangle, for two triangle, it means the value of n equals 2. Number of toothpicks required equals, formula is 3n. It means 3n means 3 into n. The value of n is 2. 3 to the 6. If I want to draw two triangle, it means the value of n is 2. 3 to the 6. If I want to draw one triangle, then 3 into n is equal to 3. Only this formula and toothpicks picture you can write in the A4 size paper. Remaining you can listen how this pattern is coming. Right. Now Hanvita, okay, good beta. Note down this now pattern, okay, very good. Now note down this formula. Number of triangle into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. Then write n into 3 equal to number of toothpicks required. This note down. Down. This 3 line. Number of triangle into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. N into number of triangle we have assumed n. Number of triangle n into 3 equals number of toothpick required. Number of triangle on the bracket small n into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. N into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. Yes, Harsha, very good beta. Very good, very good. But why you have given gap? First triangle, second triangle. No need to give gap that much. Oh, note down this formula. Number of triangle n into 3 equals number of toothpicks required. 3n is equal to number of toothpicks required. N equals number of toothpicks required. Next key fading, square pattern. Again down key fading in the A4 size, on the A4 size paper only, key fading, square pattern. Square pattern. Now we are going to learn, we are going to generalize square pattern. How square, one square, how I will draw. How, with the help of how many toothpicks? 4 toothpicks. I have to draw 4 toothpicks. One square completed. How many toothpicks is required? 4 toothpicks is required. Again, I want to give some gap. Again, I want to draw how many square? 2 square. If I want to draw 2 square, how many toothpick is required? 7. 1 square means 4 toothpicks is required. Two square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 toothpicks required. If I want to draw 3 square, how many toothpicks is required? 10. One square, 4 toothpicks. 2 square, 7 toothpicks. 3 square, 10 toothpicks. Now what formula I am getting? 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. If I want to draw 1 square, 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 toothpick is required. If I want to draw 2 square, 3n plus 1. n value is 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Right, Harsa, now. Good. Next, note down square pattern. If I want to draw 1 square, how many toothpick is required? 4 toothpick is required. It means the value of n is 1 because I want to draw 1 square. It means 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. If I want to draw 2 square, how many toothpick is required? You can observe here our formula is 3n plus 1. Now I want to draw 2 square, means 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 equals 7. If I want to draw 3 square, our formula is 3n plus 1. Our formula is 3n plus 1. How many square I want to draw? 3 square I want to draw. It means the value of n is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. It means our formula is right. What formula we got it here? 3n plus 1. It means number of square into 3 plus 1 equals number of toothpicks required. We got this formula 3n plus 1. It means number of square into 3 plus 1 equals number of toothpicks required. Number of toothpicks required. Now you are observing what is the magic of algebra. Number of square into 3 plus 1 equals number of toothpicks required. Completed, Vilohit? Right. Yes, Trikshita, very good. Agatya, very good, beta. Hanvita, very good. Trikshita, good. Students, this activity is called toothpicks activity. With the help of toothpicks, how we have related to algebra. Means here we have learned formula. If I want to draw one triangle, what is the formula? 3n. If I want to draw two triangle, 6. If I want two triangle, 6 toothpicks required. Formula is 3n. Same like we have learned the square pattern. If I want to draw one square, formula is 3n plus 1. 2 square means 3l plus 1 means 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7.